So friends, I want to talk to you about, there's two different kinds of buttons. This is the older style button that's flat. This is the newer style button that's a toggle. And the question was asked, could you take, since these tend to, they both break, but these seem to break more, can you take the guts of this and put it inside this? And the answer is no. But I wanted to show you how you would transfer this over. If you open it like this, it has a, you need a flat screwdriver. It has a gasket right here. Take that gasket off. You can see it's just a little gasket. And then there's a little release right there. And you just do that and lift it out. It comes out as a unit. There we go. Come on. So that's what it looks like. You would not use the housing. You can see that there's a check valve here, but the check valve would be on the plumbing side, so there's no way to replace it without cutting the plumbing. And they don't offer this without the rest of it. So to replace it, you would take this and line that up with that little tab right there in the old one. Put your gasket back on top, and then slip that in there just like that. But they're two completely different designs, and also one is a lot larger. You can see that the body of this is larger than the body of this. Now to replace this, I have another video about it, but I might as well cover it while we're here. You would simply unscrew that, and you can see that there's a cap, that with a little O-ring inside here. You take that off. You take this and just take a flat screwdriver, gingerly pop this out. So you just lift that out and see what it looks like. And what usually breaks on this is this little part right here will break apart. And that's what it looks like down inside. And you can see there is a check valve here. Now, in this case, you can replace this check valve. You just reach down in there and pop it out like that. And then to put it in the new one, you put that side down. You would just do that right there. You would do this right here. Just, there's an alignment pin you see right there. I'm working around my camera, so I'm having a little bit of trouble seeing it. But you would slip that down inside like that with that alignment pin you see right there. Put the spring in, and then just put the top on, and the top is threaded. You can see there's threads right here, and just screw it on. This one is threaded as well, I should say. I was going to say it's not threaded, but it is just a little bit of a different kind of thread. It's really more of a, you see it's got these little things on here, so it's really not threaded like the other one. You just put it on there and push it and turn it until it goes down. There we go. And then that locks into place. So that is on the J Series Jacuzzi Premium air switches for the air control system. Click the link in the description to go to my website to buy either one of these. Hot Tub Parts of America, I am the Spa Guy. I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs. Buy today.
And again, the Spa Guy saves the day.
Thanks, Spa Guy.
Your hot tub superhero.